Welcome to Just Recipes, the only channel dedicated to giving you clear, accurate ingredient lists for the meals you love. Let's get right into it. Today's recipe is our soft and fluffiest vanilla cake, and this quantity will make you 1 7-inch cake. We start with the dry ingredients. You will need 1 1/8 cups, 150 grams all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons, 12.5 grams corn flour or cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Omit if using salted butter. Then for our wet ingredient, we will be using 56.5 gram unsalted butter, room temperature, and 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon, 52.5 grams vegetable oil. For sweetness, we add 2/3 cup, that's 166 grams of white granulated sugar. We'll be using 1.5 large eggs. You use 1 whole egg, then beat another and use just half. Then we will be using 2 teaspoons vanilla essence or extract, half teaspoon white vinegar, 3/4 cup, 168.5 grams buttermilk at room temperature. So for the step-by-step baking procedure, step 1, you prepare your tools. You will preheat the oven to 165 degrees C or 329 degrees F with the fan on. If no fan option, bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line your 1 7-inch round cake pan or your desired cake pan. For step 2, mix the dry ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together all-purpose flour, corn flour or cornstarch, baking soda, baking powder, salt, then set aside. Step 3, cream, butter, oil, and sugar. In a mixing bowl, add soft butter and vegetable oil. Beat on medium speed until smooth and creamy. Add the sugar and continue beating for 2-3 minutes until pale and fluffy. Step 4, add 1 whole egg, then mix. Add half of the beaten egg, mix again gently. Add vanilla extract. Mix just until combined. Do not overbeat. To the wet ingredients, but this time you would alternate it. Add 1/3 of the dry ingredients, then mix. Add half of the buttermilk, you mix again. Add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients you mix. Add remaining buttermilk and mix. Finally finish with the last 1/3 dry and mix. Add the vinegar last and give a quick, gentle mix. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick. Step 6, pour the batter into your lined cake pan. Tap the pan gently to remove air bubbles. Bake for 28 to 35 minutes depending on pan size. Cake is ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Step 7, allow cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Turn onto a wire rack and cool completely before frosting. I hope this was helpful. Do well to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. Let's keep growing this beautiful food community together.